Hey guys, Tim with Kaufman Trailers here. Sorry about the noise in the background, it's busy Friday. A lot of our customers come in here and they just don't realize how big our company is and how much trailers we have in stock. They just think we're a little place in the middle of nowhere basically, but we're just gonna take a few minutes and just ride you all around, let you see the inventory that we've got. We've got a great inventory right now. Last spring we were selling right at 200 plus trailers a week, so we've got a great inventory. But I'm gonna take you around real quick. I got my buddy Aaron here. He's gonna be videoing, so it may get a little shaky with some of these rocks, so sorry about that. But I'm gonna start over here real quick to show you. This is basically our inventory lot. This is where we bring everything up, and just what we pick from at first. So you're starting over here, we got some small landscape trailers. You can't really see them with this gooseneck, sorry, we got a lot of pickups going on. But we start with our landscapes here, everything from a 5x8, I mean, all the way up to big size trailers. We got 16-foot landscape trailers, so we got everything that you can think of with that. We got some dump trailers over here, got some goosenecks, bumper pulls. The biggest thing we make is 8,000-pound axles, 16 feet long, and bumper pull and in gooseneck models. We got some car haulers here, and we carry everything from a single car hauler all the way up to a 6-car hauler. That's been a big thing for us. We've been pretty big and done pretty well in the car hauling industry. And then we just started some enclosed stuff too. I'm gonna have another video probably next week for you guys. Gonna go over to the enclosed factory and let you see what we've done there. We've invested a lot of money into a factory. But we'll cover more of those maybe next week. I'll have another video out for you. Get out of this guy's way here. But coming over here, we've got some, of course, your standard equipment trailers. We've got those all the way up to 8,000-pound axles also. We've got our pintle pulls right here, deck over models, the 102 wide, starting at 7,000-pound axles, and we actually can make those all the way up with 16,000-pound axles now. But again, we could go over some more stuff, but just kind of showing you what we've got going on here at the factory. We'll ride around the back here real quick. Yeah, I was going to show you these real quick, but these are our split decks. Real popular models that we carry also. They're 22 feet long. If I'm not mistaken, we're one of the only manufacturers that build the split deck like that with an 8-foot fixed section at the front and with 8,000-pound axles. But anyway, that's one of our most popular trailers we sell right there. We're going to cruise around back real quick, let you see some more inventory that we've got. Another location in Nebraska. So we have another factory in Beaver City, Nebraska. Now they don't have quite the inventory that we do here, but they do have a good inventory there in Beaver City, Nebraska also. So starting over here to my left, we've got some Max 6s in stock. We've got Wedge Car Haulers. These are low profile Wedge Car Haulers. Those are real popular. Obviously very good with these Sprinter vans and stuff that people are hauling now. Keeps you down on your deck height. But we have a bunch of stuff in stock here. If you look over to the right, this is our gooseneck car haulers. Anywhere from 2 car haulers to 3 car haulers in the gooseneck models. Those are real popular. Swing around here real quick, let you see another one of the models that we offer. Now here's like our air brake pintle trailers that we offer with oak flooring. Obviously for real heavy equipment, rollers, people with paving equipment, that kind of thing. And then we also offer with hydraulic ramps. That trailer there on the end has our hydraulic ramp option there, all self-contained. I'm not going to go back here though, guys, because it's a little rocky with the rocks. I don't want the camera to get all crazy. Here's a bunch more inventory we've got of our single car haulers and dump trailers. Bumps here.
said there's an add-on in the box. Who'll be coming out in there?
We're about full circle here of the plant. Well, that's pretty much it, guys, but give us a call. That was more of just really to show you the size of the plant and what the kind of inventory that we've got. People that call us, they want something yesterday, so keep that in mind. What you're looking for, we might possibly will have in stock for you. If we don't, if you want some custom options, we can. We're the #1 trailer manufacturer on the East Coast, so we definitely have the manpower to build what you need in a good time frame. So we'll be doing some more videos like this, keep you guys updated on things that we're adding here at the company, and I'm going to do a video on those enclosed trailers too, probably next week. Anyway, guys, like this video if you will, share it, and thank you for watching.